guys, welcome back to Bellaboo's Lessons, and we are doing a school haul. And my little reindeer friend is in the background, is watching me. And we have some napkins, 160 napkins, and this is mostly all for my teacher, but a lot of this stuff is for me too. Stormex. Yeah. No, hand sanitizer? Is that the same thing? Yeah, I think. Unicorn, and this is for my planner box. And this is another lunch box that I do different things. And this is for my normal boxes, and they're just pockets. They're mostly this a big thing. You can put your ice cube, you can put your sweets, your ice cubes, your silverware, and you can write your name or your date, whichever, if you want to know where you got it. A bindo. Oh, it's so big. I can't do it. That's how strong it is. I cannot. Yeah, that's how strong it is. When I was at school once, I clipped my finger with that. It was hurting so bad. It was like this little swip. And when you get a little swip, that hurts the most in your whole hand. And then, tissues. It kind of got damaged up in the box. I think everyone just threw it in. And then that's it. And then, oh my, what's in this backpack? It's so-and-so Siwa backpack. And it actually comes with this little bow, even though I have 3 of those. And then a little bow here, and so-and-so Siwa. Come on, right there. What is in this backpack thingy, ziggy? And there's a little pocket right here. Ooh, it's like has this. It has this like little pretty stuff. And let's see what's in this real backpack. Ooh, first there's a pocket right here, and on the other side. And ooh, more tissues. 2 boxes of tissues. Ziplocs. And 4 what are these called?
Folders.
And 4 folders. That's a tongue twister. 4 folders. I can't say it.
Tongue twister?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Orange, pink, purple, and then green. 2 notebooks, pink and dark blue, very dark blue. And some cool pencils. 2 glues. 4 markers. We bought two of these for me and my teacher. 2 more glues. Whoops. 24 crayons, which I usually lose in the next 5 days. I don't mean to. 2 erasers. I love these erasers because if you buy 500, you can do this. I like doing that a lot for some reason. I don't know why. And then some 12 pencils and 10 markers, which it looks like it comes in brown, purple, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, black, pink, and gray. And this one comes, and the pencils come with red, orange, hold on, white, purple, dark blue, light blue, dark green, light green, yellow, 2 orange, a darker orange, red, brownish, and is that brown or black? Looks like. And the crowns come in, well, you can just see that. Come in light yellows. Can you even see the different yellows? Yeah, you can. And then that's it. A Sozo backpack.
Okay, well, I guess that is the end of Bella's back to school haul. She had actually recorded this video using my old phone. So here I have been trying to find her footage for the longest time. And just this morning she said, "No, Mom, I recorded it on your old phone." So here I am on my old phone editing this. So I'm sorry that the video is a little bit out of focus, like on the edge. It is because she used my old phone and I didn't realize it. So she had actually recorded a couple videos on this phone. So I'm going to go ahead and edit those today. But I want to get this one up because school has already been in. We're in week 3. So thank you so much for watching and great job, Bella. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the shout outs so we can get this video uploaded. So thanks again for watching and we will see you in our next video. The first shout out goes to Maddie and happy early birthday to you. And then also I hope your friend heals soon and quick. Also, Lauren H., thank you so much for watching. Rebecca Young, hi. Xander, thank you. And Bella Boo's Lunches fan. Thank you all for watching, and we will see you in our next video. Bye.